Hello, good morning students. How are you all? Fine? Okay, you should be fine. Okay, take care of yourself. We were studying last week, we were studying about a poem. What was name of that poem? Colors, correct? Red apples, red strawberries, red chilies, correct? Red tomatoes, green parrot, green peas, green grass, green trees, white snow, white milk, white cotton, white silk, blue eyes, blueberry pie, blue sea, blue sky, yellow lemons, yellow flowers, yellow bananas, yellow stars. Correct? Do you remember we studied this poem? Yes. We have completed question answers in our notebook, and today we are going to start with question answers we completed in workbook as well as in notebook. Okay. Today we are going to start with it is a poem. Okay, magic seed. What is name of a poem? मॅजिक सीड. व्हॉट यू अंडरस्टँड फ्रॉम मॅजिक सीड? मॅजिक सीड म्हणल्यानंतर तुम्हाला काय वाटतं की कोणतं तरी एक बी आणि ते काहीतरी मॅजिक करणार. येस ऑर नो? यू फील ऑर नॉट लाईक दॅट? मॅजिक सीड मीन्स व्हॉट? देर इज वन सीड a poet has got, okay, a person who has got a seed, he is not knowing whether that seed is of apple tree or whether it is a seed of tamarind tree or whether it is a seed of tomato plant or whether it is seed of what we call which more plants are there. You can tell many other. Potato is there, guava is there, then chiku is there. Okay, so something poet is saying in this poem that we are going to study today. Now here it is told that look, listen, sing and act. What we have to do? We have to look, listen, sing and act. I found a tiny little seed and planted it outside. Almost at once it started to grow up tall and wide. It sprouted leaves from everywhere and soon became quite big. I am not sure what it is yet, apples, peas or figs. No matter how it turns out, I know that it will be my own completely special something or other tree. Okay. Now here it is told that there is a small seed. You can see in the picture there is a small seed in the picture. Can you see here? Then once it is falling on the ground and it falls in the soil, then what happens to it? It sprouts. Correct? Sprout means what? त्याला छोटे छोटे कोंब येतात. Okay. Downside you can see there are small roots. I'll show you on the board. If there is a soil, you will see a small seed which is on the ground, and when it falls on the soil, what happens? It starts sprouting. What happens to it? It starts sprouting. Sprouting means what? It gets small roots, correct? And it starts getting small leaves. Understood? And then when the seed is getting mixed in soil, or you can say when it falls in the soil, what happens with it? It sprouts, then it starts growing slowly, correct or not? It gets small birds, correct? And then from birds, then small leaves, then branches, correct or not? It gets a little stem, and then from that stem it becomes a big tree. Can you see it? There is a process of tree given in the book. You can see in the book, correct or not? First seed, then small seedling, then it becomes plant, then from plant it becomes tree. Okay, here it is told that I found a tiny little seed. Poet is saying that I found a tiny little seed and planted it outside. What I did, I took that seed, the seed which I got, I planted it outside. Almost at once it started to grow up tall and wide. What happened? When I planted it, almost means what? Very suddenly or very fast it started growing up and it started becoming wide. Okay, it started becoming what? It started growing up and became tall and wide. It sprouted leaves from everywhere. It got small leaves. When it was growing up, that time it started getting small leaves. Okay, small stem, and on small stems there were small green color leaves. Okay, and soon became quite big. And almost I was just looking at it, and then within some months it became a big tree. Okay, it became wide and it became quite big. I'm not sure what it is yet. It is apples or it is peas or it is figs. Now poet is saying, I got one small seed, I planted it outside and then I used to water it every day, and soon within some months it became a wide and big tree. But I don't know whether it is a tree of it is a tree of apples, or whether it is a tree of peas, or whether it is a tree of what do you call it? It is whether it is a tree of fig. Are you understanding or not? Poet is not knowing. He only got one seed and he planted it. Then what he is saying further? No matter how it turns out, I don't know. No matter it. I don't take care. I don't care of what plant it is going to become, or what tree it is going to become, or which fruits it will bear, or which fruits will come to that plant. I am not bothered of that. But it is just growing up. I am happy of that. Okay. I know that it will be my own completely special something or other tree. What the poet is saying, I have planted it, that I have planted that seed, or I have done plantation of that seed. That is only too much for me. When I have done plantation of one small seed, from that seed it became plant. From first it was seedling, then it became plant, then from plant it became tree. And when it will start getting flowers, or then if it is a seed of fruits, then it will start bearing fruits. And when I will eat those fruits, that is too much for me. That is the biggest happiness in my life for me. Okay. What is telling me that it is my own completely special. It is completely my, means what? I have planted it, I have watered it. I have taken care of that plant, I have taken care of that tree, so it is completely my special plant tree. Are you understanding or not? Something or the other means what? It can be of apples, it can be of fig, or it can be something other tree. Are you understanding or not? कोणतं तरी दुसरं पण असू शकतं, किंवा मग ते फळाचं झाड असू शकतं, किंवा मग ते फुलाचं झाड असू शकतं. ओके, let it be anything, but it is special for me because I have completely taken care of it. And that is why the name of our poem is what? Magic Seed. Why it is told magic seed? Because we don't know what plant it is, or the seed is of which plant, that we don't know. Poet is not knowing, and even we are not knowing, but only he has planted. He got one seed and he planted it outside, and then when that tree will become big, when it will start bearing fruits, or when it will start getting flowers, that time poet will understand that the seed which he has planted is of what tree. Are you understanding or not? Whether it is fruit tree or it is flower tree. Are you getting or not? Or it is just there are some trees which are just of show. Correct or not? So he is telling that let it be anything, but it is my own completely special something or other tree. Have you understood poem? It is very easy. Okay. What you have to do today, you have to write down name of a poem on new page. Write down poem in your notebook, and do one thing. You have to learn poems, color poems also, colors poem also, and magic seeds poem also. I am going to give you any 4 lines in exam. First line will be written by me, then second line you have to write, third line you have to write, and fourth line will be given by me. Okay, you know it. No, for first standard you might be not knowing, you were in UKG, but in examination poem writing comes. Any 4 lines I will give you. Okay, I'll recite one poem for you. I found a tiny little seed and planted it outside. Almost at once it started to grow up tall and wide. It sprouted leaves from everywhere and soon became quite big. I'm not sure what it is yet, apples, peas or figs. No matter how it turns out, I know that it will be my own completely special something or other tree. This is our poem. Write down poem in your English notebook, and there are some hard words given over here. The first word which is given here is magic. Seeds. Okay, magic. Seed. FOUND, found. SPROUTED, sprouted. PLANTED, planted. GROW, grow. LEAVES, leaves. OUTSIDE, outside. PEAS, peas. FIGS, figs. SPECIAL, special. EVERYWHER, everywhere. In this way, First write down poem in your notebook and write down these all hard words in your notebook. Okay? Have you understood what is your homework for today? In this way we have completed poem, and tune for poem I'll give you tomorrow. Okay? Thank you.